In this question, we've been asked to describe the nature of the first derivative and second derivative at the point f. Point f is a minima, and when we draw a tangent line to the curve at this point, you note that the slope of the tangent line is 0 because the line is horizontal. Therefore, we can say that if we were to evaluate the first derivative at f, the answer would be 0. To understand the second derivative, we have to understand what is happening to the slopes of the tangent lines as we move from left to right along the curve. I've started by drawing a tangent line just to the left of point f in green. You'll note that the slope of that tangent line is negative. Then I drew a tangent line to the curve just to the right of f. That is also in green, and you'll notice that the slope of that particular line is positive. So as we move from left to right, the slopes of my tangent lines go from being negative to 0 and then finally to positive. Therefore, the slopes of my tangent lines are increasing as I move from left to right. Therefore, one can conclude that if we were to evaluate the second derivative at the point f, our second derivative would be positive because the slopes of my tangent lines are increasing as we move from left to right.